Volleyball fans, we are now heading to our third game in the men's division in the Western Conference of the Governors Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026. For our third game, matutunghayan natin ang battle between Team Mga Taram and Team Dasal having the same 1-2 standing. In this match, makikita natin kung paano nga ba sila naghanda mula sa kanilang floor defense, blockings, and also sa kanilang play. Volleyball fans, just keep watching here in our Governors Cup page at i-comment nyo na kung sinong team nga ba ang sinusuportahan nyo for our third game. Is it Team Mga Taram or is it Team Dasol? We will see and watch that later, volleyball fans, kung sino nga bang team ang mag-stand out for our third game. Kaya volleyball fans, just keep watching here in our Governors Cup page because our third game is about to start. So this is Samantha De Guzman, your courtside reporter. Back to Miss Victoria and Mr. Joseph. Thank you.
Magandang hapon ulit mga kabalian. Welcome back to our live coverage of the Governors Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference here at the Alaminos City Sports Complex.
The excitement continues here on day 8 as we move into our third match of the men's division. Thank you to all our viewers who continue to support and follow the action. Whether you are here at the venue or watching us through our live stream, we are ready for another exciting volleyball showdown featuring two determined teams looking to bounce back in the tournament.
Before we begin, we would like to extend our heartfelt appreciation to our beloved Governor Ramon Monmon Bigwico III for his continued support and dedication to sports development in Pangasinan through his commitment to empowering local athletes and strengthening grassroots sports programs. Tournaments like the Governors Cup continue to provide a platform where our athletes can showcase their talent, passion, and determination. Truly, Pangasinan ang galing!
Let's take a closer look at today's featured matchup. First, we have Team Mga Taram, currently holding a 1-2 record in the tournament standings. They are coming off a tough loss against Team Alaminos City in their previous outing, but Mga Taram remains a team capable of making adjustments and fighting back. Throughout the competition, they have shown competitiveness, teamwork, and determination to challenge every opponent they face. With their eyes set on getting back into the winning column, expect Team Mga Taram to come into today's match with renewed focus and energy.
On the other side of the court is Team Dasol, also carrying a 1-2 record in the tournament. Dasol is looking to recover after a difficult match against Team Lingayen in their last outing. Despite the setback, they have shown great potential and resilience throughout the tournament. Every game is an opportunity to improve, and Team Dasol will be looking to make the necessary adjustment, execute their game plan, and showcase their fighting spirit as they aim for another important victory.
With both teams sharing the same record and both coming from losses, this match becomes even more crucial. Mga Tarum and Dasol are both hungry to bounce back, making this a battle of determination, teamwork, and the desire to return to the winning track.
Stay with us as more exciting Governors Cup volleyball action continues right here at the Alameda City Sports Complex.
It is between Team Mga Taram and Team Dasol. First 6 for Team Dasol, jersey number 14, 13, 7, 9, 8, 17. And starting libero, jersey number 18.
First 6 for Team Mga Taram, jersey number 2, 15, 8, 10, 4, and jersey number 9. First libero is jersey number 5.
First serve, jersey number 9, Flores. Service error. First point for Team Dasol.
Jersey number 13 serving, Ramirez. Flores to running attack, Marquez. Blocked by Balawing.
Flores to Ventanilla. Aseo. Error for the setter of Team Dasol. First point for Team Mga Taram.
Service error by jersey number 15, Marquez.
Flores back set to Marquez. And point for Team Mga Taram.
No serving, Luis Miguel Marquez. Good serve.
And the service is for Louis Marquez.
Luis Miguel Marquez.
Service error. The help of the net. Free ball for Mga Taram. Flores sets it to the open. And then yung libero, Aseo, one-hand set. And a point for jersey number 9, Buaga.
Balawing. Good serve. Flores. Middle attack.
Balawing. Another point for Team Dasol.
Powerful attack coming from Greg Abraham. Balawing. John Benedy. Flores.
Aseo will send it over. And Buaga will get the point.
John Benedy. Balawi. Straight
Service
through the
error.
net.
Now serving, team captain, Ventanilla. Sharp serve. Aseo will set it to Balawing and the new libero. Louis Marquez from the pipe. Too strong.
Aseo to Ramirez. Ando ng libero. Free ball. Aseo to the middle. Buaga. Flores to Louis Miguel in the pipe. Aseo binuhay ang bola. Balawing. Flores.
Long rally.
Aseo to Ramirez. And that ends the rally. Point for Team Dasol.
Pagarigan sets it to the open. Good save. And the new libero, Ventanilla. To Ramirez. But error.
Rillion now on the service zone. Good serve. Aseo.
Flores sets to Marquez. Now serving jersey number 10, Tobias. Good serve. Aseo will send it over. Flores from the pipe. Ramirez. Doug. Flores underhand sets to Louis. Not over.
Aseo serving. Flores 1-2 play. Point for Team Mga Taram. Seven serving 11. Jersey number 9 serving. Flores. Good serve. Aseo to the middle.
And Marquez. What a quick attack there. Three-point lead na lang ang Team Dasol. Flores. Aseo sets it to the open and Balawing gets the point.
Ramirez.
Too long.
Outside. Marquez on the serve. Good service. Aseo to Balawing.
No check ball. Timeout. You are still watching the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. It is between Team Dasol versus Team Mangataram, live here at the Alaminos City Sports Complex.
Serving Marquez. Good serve. Aseo to Balawing. Andon. Jersey number 10. Free ball para sa Team Dasol. Balawing again.
Serving 10. Louis to the middle.
Serving jersey number 8. Louis Miguel. Greg.
Not over. One point lead. Aseo sets it to Balawing. No serving. Jersey number 17. Service error.
Now in the service zone, jersey number 2. Bentinilla.
Palitan tayo ng service error dito, partner.
Greg.
Another service error.
We acknowledge the presence of Honorable Jensen Hirai Bentinilla, Mayor of Mangataram. Good afternoon, Mayor.
Check ball. Ramirez. Blocked. Aseo will set it again to Ramirez. Nandun si Louie, but hindi na itaas ang bola. Another point for Team Dasol. Serving jersey, number 9, Buaga. Good decision there by Louie Marquez to let it go.
Jersey number 10 serving Tobias. Good serve. Aseo to Ramirez. Blocked. Self-cover. Ramirez once again. Block.
Nabantayan na doon si Ramirez ng Team Mga Tarom.
Tobias.
Aseo sets it to Ramirez. Pinabawi kaagad.
Now serving Aseo. Good serve. Flores joust.
Timeout, Team Mga Tarom. Partner, alam mo ba na malaking bahagi ng programa ni Governor Guico ang sports development dahil tuloy-tuloy na ang palaro sa Pangasinan.
Oo, partner. Pagkatapos na itong Intertown Volleyball Tournament, abangan naman natin ang Season 2 ng Intertown Basketball Tournament. At ang pinakabagong Pickleball Tournament na siguradong exciting din para sa ating mga kabaluyan.
Wow, dahil dito tunay nating masasabi ang tagline na ipinagmamalaki ng ating lalawigan,
Pangasinan, ang galing!
Balik po tayo dito sa laro. Serving jersey number 9, Flores. Aseo, one hand set, but an error. Isa na lang ang kalamangan ng Team Dasol.
Flores. Good serve. Aseo to Ramirez.
Kinabahan ang mga tao dito sa sports complex. Okay lang daw. Okay lang daw si ref. Service error. Still on the service zone, jersey number 15.
Marquez. Aseo.
Torres to Ventanilla. And a point for the captain. And guess what?
We are tied at 20. And still serving jersey number
15.
15. Marquez.
Aseo to Balawing. And Greg Balawing gets the point. Substitution here. Service specialist of Team Dasol.
Sanggalang. Flores. To Luis Miguel. Aseo. That is a point for jersey number 17. John. Benedy. Balawing.
Check ball. Swipes it off the hands of Greg Balawing.
Luis Miguel now on the service. Aseo to Greg. That will be a point for Team Dasol. Good serve.
Wow, no look by Leon.
Jersey number 2. Aseo. Bagua. Tobia, soft speed attack. Bagua to Balawing.
Soft touch.
And that will be a point for Team Dasol.
And Dasol is now at set point. Mga Taram will use their last timeout.
Serving for the set. Greg Balawing. Good serve. Flores to Tobia. Soft speed attack. Aseo. That will end our set number 1. Team Dasol wins 25-22. Huwag kayong aalis mga kabalayan.
Alam mo ba, partner, tungkol dito sa health, patuloy ring umiikot sa iba't ibang bayan ang Quick Consulta Plus, isang one-stop government service natin mismo sa mga barangay.
Nag-umpisa na rito sa Alaminos City ang Gui Consulta Partner at magpapatuloy pa ito sa July 27 sa Barangay Santa Maria at sa susunod na rin At susunod na rin ang Barangay Amanjego, Barangay Bisocol, Barangay Kibar at Barangay Alos. Nabanggit natin kanina ang patungkol sa konsulta. Bibisita rin ito sa bayan ng Bolinao sa July 27 sa Barangay Luna at Barangay Kulang.
Sa mga susunod na araw naman, Barangay Samang Sur, San Roque, Samang Norte, Lambas at Cabuyao. Mangyari lamang po na bisitahin ang Bolinao Community Hospital at Western Pangasinan District Hospital page para sa mga schedule ng mga nasabing barangay.
Kaya mga kabalian, inaanyayahan ang lahat ng residente ng mga nabanggit na barangay na samantalahin ang pagkakataong makapagpakonsulta at makapag-enroll sa mga programang pangkalusugan ng PhilHealth.
Serbisyong pangkalusugan ilalapit sa inyong komunidad. Sama-sama nating isulong ang mas malusog at mas maunlad na Pangasinan.
Dahil dito, tunay nating masasabi ang tagline na ipinagmamalaki ng ating lalawigan. Pangasinan ang galing.
You are still watching the Governor's Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026 Western Conference. It is between Team Dasol versus Team Mangataram. Start ng set 2. Dito po, live na live sa Alaminos City Sports Complex.
Aseo. Flores. Tului. But that is outside. Point for Team Dasol. Aseo. Joust. Flores. Tului. Attack error for Team Aseo still serving. Good serve, but that will send outside.
Serving jersey number 9, Flores.
Good serve. Aseo.
Back
To
set to
Ramirez.
Ramirez. But he is blocked. Flores to the middle. Regalo for Viernes.
Flores still serving. Good serve.
Over-received. Flores will set it again to Viernes. Blocked. Louis to Viernes again. But another point for Viernes.
Dalawa na po ang kalamangan ng team Mangataram. 4 serving 2. Good service. Balawing to John Benedy. That will convert to a point.
Ramirez. Flores sets it to the open, but that is outside for Viernes.
Ramirez.
You can see here na nag-warm up na ang Team Aguilar and ang Team Bani. Dahil sila po ang next game. Meanwhile, service error for Team Mga Taram.
Second deadlock. 5-all. Paseo, one-hand set. Flores. To Viernes.
Marquez received by the libero. Aseo to the middle.
Buaga gets that point. Good serve. Flores to Viernes. That will be a point for Team Mga Taram.
Serving jersey number 17, Viernes. Too strong for Viernes. Flores. Viernes from the pipe. Aseo to set it to Ramirez.
Serving jersey number 8, Greg Balawing. Flores.
Calio gets the point. All 8. Aseo 1-2 play. What an attack there by jersey number 15, Marquez. Service error for jersey number 6, Cornelio. Palitan lang tayo dito ng score sa ating second set.
Flores. Tocalio. Now on the service zone, jersey number 11, Calio. Good serve. Paseo. to Ramirez.
No check ball for Team Dasol. The cheering squad of Team Mga Taram. Pinabawi si Ramirez. Flores to Louie. Aseo. 1-2 play. Andun yung libero. Aseo to Ramirez. Andun si Calio. Long rally to Greg Balawing. One-hand save. Louie Marquez sa open. Joust. Won by Ramirez. Wow. Hindi ko na naririnig yung boses ko dito, partner.
A very long rally but won by Team Dasol. Now on the service zone, jersey number 7, Aseo. Good serve. Flores to Marquez. Balawing and
Let's wait for the call. Let's wait for the call here. Score natin ay 11-10. Lamang po ng isa ang Team Mga Taram. And the call will stay for Team Mga Taram. 2-point lead. Nakikipag-usap ang team captain nitong Team Dasol sa ating first referee.
Flores serving. Good serve. Aseo to John Benedy. Flores to Louie Miguel.
That's not over. And a point for Team Dasol. Service error for Ramirez.
Substitution. Jersey number 15 out. Vintinilla in. Good serve. Aseo to Greg Balawing. Ramirez to John Benedy. Block.
Three-point lead here for Team Mga Taram. And Dasol will call for time. Partner, dito naman tayo sa ating employment. Isa rin sa mga prioridad ng provincial government ang pagbibigay ng mas maraming oportunidad sa trabaho.
Sa pamamagitan ng Provincial Employment and Services Office, regular regular ang local recruitment activities at job fairs para sa ating mga kababayan.
Alam mo ba, partner, merong ding free training, Jumpstart Your Entrepreneurial Journey, ang Provincial Employment and Services Office para sa mga aspiring entrepreneurs sa July 27, Lunes, simula alas 8 ng umaga hanggang alas 5 ng hapon. Gaganapin ito sa Peso Multipurpose Hall, Capitol Complex, Lingayen.
Dahil dito, tunay nating masasabi ang tagline na pinagmamalaki ng ating lalawigan. Pangasinan ang galing!
He's received, sets it to the open, and Viernes gets the point.
Now on the service zone, jersey number 8, Luis Miguel Marquez. Good serve. Aseo. Tubuaga. That will work for Team Dasol. Flores to Cornelio. Aseo to Greg. And that is a point for jersey number 8, Greg Balawing.
Serving, jersey number 17.
Serving jersey number 17, Viernes Ramirez to Greg. Aseo to Greg Balawing, drop ball shot. Flores to Calio, block. It will sails out, point for Team Mga Taram.
Three-point lead here for Team Mga Taram. Aseo will set it to the open. Too strong for Greg Balawing.
Still serving jersey number 17, Viernes. Good serve. Aseo to Greg, block.
Timeout for Team Dasol.
Kung development naman ang pag-uusapan natin, tuloy-tuloy rin ang pagbabago sa Capitol Complex.
Kasalukuyang itinatayo ang 11-story Pangasinan Government Tower na magsisilbing tahanan ng iba't ibang provincial at national government offices. Tuloy po natin yan mamaya tungkol sa ating infrastructure. Balik po muna tayo dito sa ating laro. Team Dasol versus Team Mga Taram.
Viernes. Good serve. Balawing gives a free ball. Flores to Buaga. Check that. That is Cornelio.
Substitution. Throwing 8 down.
Flores. Tocalio block. Point for Team Dasol.
Tuloy natin yung sa infrastructure. Kasabay rin nito ang construction ng Pangasinan Convention Center, ng reflective pool at dancing fountain, pati ang pagpapaganda ng Pangasinan Tourist Area.
Layunin nitong mas makilala ang Pangasinan bilang Conference Capital of the North at Tourism Capital of the North.
Dahil dito, tunay nating masasabi ang tagline na ipinagmamalaki ng ating lalawigan,
Pangasinan ang galing. Sanggalang. Flores. And that is a point for Team Mangataram, courtesy of jersey number 6. Cornelio. Cornelio. Aseo to Ramirez. Good serve. 1-2 play.
4-point lead by Team Mangataram.
Jersey number 11, Calio, serving. Good serve. Aseo to Ramirez. Cagarigan Dogs. Free ball para sa Team Dasol. Ramirez, drop ball. Self-cover. That will be a point for Team Mangataram. 22 serving, 17, 5-point lead for Team Mangataram. Calio. Sanggalang to Ramirez. Block. Aseo. Ramirez again. Nandun si Pagarigan. Calio to Louis. That sails out.
Now on the service zone, Aseo. Flores to the middle. Point for Marquez. 5-point lead here, 23-18.
Flores now serving. Good serve. Aseo to Balawing. And that is a solid block coming from Marquez and Viernes.
We are now at set point for Team Mangataram. Aseo isiset kay Balawing. Flores to the middle. Balawing up. Aseo to be open. But too strong. And we are going to a third and deciding set. This is just the game 3 of the men's division. Meron pa po tayong dalawang laro. Ang susunod ay Aguilar versus Bani.
And we are back here at the Alaminos City Sports Complex for the third and deciding set between Mga Taram and Dasol. First serve will go to Team Dasol, jersey number 7, Aseo. Good serve. Flores. First point for Team Dasol. Good serve. Flores to Bentinilla, block. Aseo still serving, but that will sails out. Flores. Aseo. Free ball para sa team Mga Taram. Biernes ginawa ng paraan kaso hindi maitatawid ang bola.
That's too low for him, partner.
Ramirez. That quick attack point will go to team Mga Taram courtesy of jersey number 15, Marquez. Good serve.
Back set to Balawing. Blocked. Another point for Team Mga Taram.
Still serving jersey number 15. And that will go outside. Flores to Bentinilla, block. Point for Team Dasol. 5 serving 3. 2-point lead for Team Dasol. Oh. Service error.
Serving jersey number 2, team captain Ventanilla. Aseo sets it to Balawing. Point for team Mga Taram. Still serving. Ventanilla. Received. Sinet sa open, but net violation there for Greg Balawing.
Good serve. Aseo to Balawing. Biernes. Good serve. Buaga. Blocked. Calio, block once again. Still a good ball. Aseo to Greg.
Quick attack. Aseo sets it to Greg. Long rally. Aseo to John Balawing. And he gets the score.
Biernes. Ando ng libero. Greg.
Cross court attack. Parang kanina niya pa gustong gawin yon, partner.
Yes, partner. Tamang-tama ka dyan. John Benedy on the serve. Cornelio. Calio. Aseo to Greg. Collision there between Cornelio and Greg. But they are good, partner. Biernes.
That is outside, sir.
Greg, good serve. Flores. What a powerful hit, partner. Coming from jersey number 6, Cornelio. Good serve. Aseo. Free ball para sa team mga Taram. 1-2 play. Andun si Balawing. Ramirez out. Good.
Libero.
Still good ball. Ramirez. Andun si Biernes. Flores to Calio. Aseo to Ramirez. And that will end our long rally. Deadlock at 9. Running attack.
Regalo. And that is a check ball for Greg Balawing.
Calio, good serve. Greg, tinas para kay Ramirez. That is outside.
Serving jersey number 11, Calio.
Good serve. Aseo to Ramirez. That is a powerful hit by jersey number 13. Aseo. Good serve. Flores.
Bumawi.
Flores. Good serve. Ramirez is blocked.
No coverage there on the part of Team Dasol. Lamang po ng tatlo ang team mga Tarum. And the Soul will call for time. Tapos na tayo sa infrastructure partner. And dito naman tayo sa social services. Hindi yan mawawala.
Patuloy na pinagkakaloob ng provincial government ang medical assistance at burial assistance para sa mga Pangasinense na nangangailangan.
Balik po tayo dito sa ating laro. This is the third set between Team Mga Taram versus Team Dasol.
Flores. Good serve. Aseo. Mababa. Biernes. Greg couldn't handle that spike coming from jersey number 17, Biernes. Still serving jersey number 9, Flores. Good serve. And that will stop the bleeding for Team Dasol. 11 serving 14. Ramirez, good serve. Attacking error for Team Mga Taram.
And it's now time for Team Mga Taram to call for time. Huwag na huwag po kayong aalis dahil ang susunod na laro po natin ay Team Aguilar versus Team Bani. At ang last game po for men's division ay Team Bolinao versus Team Alaminos City.
Ramirez, good serve. Flores to Marquez. And that still a point for Team Mga Taram. 15 serving, 12. Serving jersey number 15.
Marquez. Aseo sets it to Greg. Miss hit. Another point for Team Mga Taram.
Marquez.
And he is blocked. Mga Taram is slowly pulling away.
Good serve. Aseo to Greg. Off speed attack. Flores to Bentinilla. One hand save. Flores to Biernes. Block. But
Good
gets.
stop there by the blockers of Team Dasol.
Good serve. Bentinilla. Bentinilla serving. Good serve. Andun si Ramirez. Quick attack to Bagua, and that will convert to a point for Team Dasol.
Setback. Viernes wipes it off the blockers of Team Dasol. Viernes. Good reception. Aseo to the middle, but outside. Substitution here for Team Dasol. Sanggalang in, Greg Balawing out. Flores to the middle. Aseo kay Ramirez. Unti-unting humahabol dito ang Team Dasol.
Sanggalang.
Service error committed by jersey number 2.
Cornelio. Aseo to Ramirez.
Francisco out, Adanes in.
Aseo to Ramirez. Block.
21-17.
Calio. Aseo.
Nadulas siya doon sa part na yon. Ito yung mga ayaw nating mangyari sa ating mga manlalaro. Okay, dead ball. Alright. Still a 4-point lead. We can see here on our side, Ramirez is in pain. Aseo want to play, andun si Viernes. Ventanilla blocked. Push! Will not work for Ventanilla.
Aseo. A good serve. Flores. That is a point for Team Mga Taram. Courtesy of jersey number 15, Marquez. Flores. Aseo. Tupido. Block.
And the Sol will call for time.
Pagkatapos nitong Intertown Volleyball Tournament, abangan naman natin ang Season 2 ng Intertown Basketball Tournament at Pickleball Tournament na siguradong exciting din para sa ating mga kabalian.
Ang mga nabanggit po namin kanina tungkol sa health, agriculture, employment, education and sports, social services, yan lamang po ang ilan sa mga proyekto ng ating mahal na gobernador na si Ramon Monmon V. Gico III para sa mas maunlad, mas malusog at mas matatag na Pangasinan.
At sa bawat proyektong naipapatupad at bawat serbisyong naihahatid sa ating mga kababayan, mas lalo nating nakikita ang direksyon ng isang mas maunlad, mas matatag at mas progresibong Pangasinan.
Dahil dito, tunay nating masasabi ang tagline na ipinagmamalaki ng ating lalawigan,
Pangasinan, ang galing.
And just like that, we are now at match point.
Flores serving for match point.
Balawing. Flores to the middle. And Marquez finishes this match. Congratulations to Team Mga Taram for winning this game. And also congratulations din para sa Team Dasol for giving Mga Taram a good game.
And our player team, jersey number 15, Harmel Marquez, with a total of 20 points.
ECL man nabasa. May ECL man. ECL. Nakita dyan.
And our player of the game is with our courtside reporter, Miss Samantha Luis de Guzman.
Makapace kami, Atisa. Kuya, nakikita kami dyan? Ako ata nakikita. Pero, ano mo? Dito tayo, Mare. Dito yung ano niya. Dito tayo, Mare. Dito ka, Mare. Perfect ako, Mare. Magkapes kami, no? Para kami magkapes. Ready, set, go! Ay, wala! Lancha siya. Ready na daw, Sid.
That ends our trailing third game here in the men's division of the Governors Cup Intertown Volleyball Tournament 2026. Nakita naman natin mula sa dalawang municipality that they gave their all, heart and teamwork sa loob ng court. And right now, I am with the best player of the game from the winning team, Team Mga Taram. Player number 15, Carmelo Marquez, having 8 attacks and 5 blocks. So congratulations for winning this game and also congratulations for being the best player of the game. Since nakita naman natin na nakuha ng Dasol yung first set. So paano nyo nakuha yung momentum after that set?
Ano lang po, yung mga coaches lang po namin na gumawa po ng mga adjustments sa lineup at kami pong players para ginawa na po namin yung best namin, ginawa po yung part namin, yun lang po.
Sir, after this game, sa tingin mo, ano pa yung kailangan pang i-improve ng team ninyo para magpatuloy yung pagkuha nyo ng panalo?
Sa ano po, sa blockings po, una po sa blockings, dun po kami nagkulang kanina, blockings tapos sa atake po, sa spiking po.
So sino naman yung mga gusto mong pasalamatan or i-shoutout?
Gusto ko lang po pasalamatan yung pamilya ko. Sila mama na nanonood, si tatay po na head coach po namin, pamilya, si kuya po nakasama po namin dito at si girlfriend ko po, si Syrian po. Si mami and daddy mo po pala. Maraming, and si Mayora Jensen Beray po. Thank you po lagi sa pagsuporta. At dito rin po sa mga teammates ko po.
Thank you so much and again, congratulations for winning this game. Volleyball fans, this is where it ends our third game here in the men's division. Stay here in our Governor's Cup page dahil meron pa tayong 2 games for today. Again, this is Samantha de Guzman, your courtside reporter. Pangasinan, ang galing.